Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the journey of learning chatbot development, up till now we have discussed what are chatbots, what are intents, entities, actions and parameters, and with the help of these we have created a basic example of hotel booking agent. Then we deployed it to WhatsApp using open source integration. Then we move forward with the fulfillment and connect our chatbot with external server. And now we are gonna do something similar to that. We are not gonna move with Dialogflow, but today we are gonna create a custom script that sends bulk SMS to a WhatsApp number, or you can say scheduled SMS to a WhatsApp number based on different conditions. This is nothing, just an if and else condition to send WhatsApp messages. So let's move forward. We will follow this Pedro Lopez GitHub repository for this purpose. Let's move with the basic documentation. We will follow this guide. Okay, so let's create a folder. We will create everything from scratch. In the program files, let's create folder with WhatsApp YouTube and npm init -y to create package.json file with basic or default configuration. Let's open this with VS Code. Okay, so it is saying to install WhatsApp web. uh, I'm not gonna move with npm, I will go with yarn. Okay, so let's install the package yarn at WhatsApp web.js. What this library does, this library creates an container or image of our WhatsApp to their server, and we can connect it with our server, and we can send bulk messages or we can send replies. In the meanwhile it's being installed. Let's explore it. So it is saying node version 8, we have the higher. Okay, let's create the server.js file with this code. Server.js, we are gonna use nodemon to run our server. Nodemon is nothing, just a library, or you can say framework, to run our server without being interrupted and without being again and again restarted. We will do nodemon and file name server.js. Nodemon is not defined. I don't know what is happening with nodemon. Okay, let's run with node. It's Let's see if it's completed. It's not completed. Let's paste the code, save it, and let's run the server. I have the nodemon, but it's not working. I don't know why. Server is being running now. Let's see. Yeah, the dependency is installed. Let's create the code is let me show you the code. Yeah, our server is running, and it is, you can say, it is creating QR code for our WhatsApp. But this is not very much nice. Let's install a dependency to make it a bit prettier. We will move with QR code terminal with yarn. Again, yarn, oh sorry, yarn add QR code terminal. Okay, so it's installed. Let's see. Okay, we have not pasted the QR code. Let's copy this and paste it over here, and we'll need to restart the server. Control C and node server.js. It should generate a QR code. Yeah, here we go. Now our code is working. Let's connect it with our WhatsApp. For this, let me share my screen. Okay, go to the WhatsApp web and just connect it. Okay, you can see here there's on Mac OS and I'm working on Windows machine. So as I said earlier, it's create a dummy or Docker machine to their server so that we can send messages and get replies. Okay, so we should receive a message with client is ready. Yeah, here it is. Client is ready means our this console is working. Here, our this console is working. Let's move forward with documentation. What they're saying, we have done this client is ready message. Okay, let's see if we are receiving messages from a WhatsApp number. Let me paste the message code, Control S, then again restart the server. Again, I'll need to scan the QR code. Mm, Here a message should be client is ready. Yeah, our client is ready. Let me open the WhatsApp and see if I can have a message. Yeah, you can see I'm sending messages from Avis and you can see all messages from here. Okay, so means our server is ready and we can see the messages, incoming messages over here. So now let's move forward. Okay, now it's time to send back reply to Avis. Let's copy this code and I'm receiving message. Let's paste. Let's send messages to Avis. Again, we will restart the server. We will need to scan the new QR code. Let me open the WhatsApp web. Okay, our client is ready. Let me send messages from Avis. You can see we have done a script. A message should be ping and the reply must be pong. Let's see if we are receiving these responses. Here I've received message from Avis ping and it has automatically replied with pong. Again, let's test it. ping and it should reply with pong. You can see I'm not typing, the reply is coming from server based on this condition. If the message.body contains the keyword ping, it should reply with pong. Okay, let's move forward. We have done this ping pong game. Okay, so up till now these all were the basic example. The point of explaining this was to just show you how it's working. I'll create the further video with their advanced features, like how to you can see currently we have to again and again, when we restart the server, we need to again and again connect WhatsApp with new QR code, but the issue can be resolved with this code, this piece of code, this and that. You will create a file with session.js and you will save JSON, and you will save your session there. And again, if you are restarting your server, it will connect it if your session is saved. Like here it is explaining. You will save your session with session.js. You can do much more with this. Like you can send images, like you can send media. You can send even you can send some files. I will create all this video if I receive some messages from you to explain the further. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's wait for your responses. Hopefully you enjoyed a lot. The purpose of this video is to send bulk messages to for marketing purpose, or you can say based on some conditions, or you can say greeting messages, etc. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.